Hi guys, good morning. So Chase just came and got me. Him and Blake are out here working, moving some wood around. And wait till you guys see what we have on our property. Now you'll know why we got two kitties. Oh my goodness. Where's the mom?
It was somewhere
I saw
around
it and
here.
booked it.
There's 3 of them and the other one fell down. I don't know where it went.
The baby fell?
Yeah.
Aww.
Too bad they're gonna be cat food pretty soon.
Oh, there's the mom. There's the mom.
Where?
She just crawled underneath there.
It's gonna be right there. Oh, the baby just fell.
It just fell right through there.
Oh boy.
So that's a wrap for today.
No, I mean, we don't want mice on our property, so unfortunately this is part of the cycle of life, as cute as they are.
Well, I don't think they're dead.
They just fell.
They're not dead, they just fell.
Well, where do you think, where are you going to put them?
Nowhere, I'm just gonna leave them here.
Well, you got to move this wood, don't you?
I'm not moving all of this right now.
How did you find them then?
I was
Moved a log
back
on
here.
top of here.
I was back here. I saw the
Got
mom
spider
pick its
right
head
there,
out. I
too.
freaked
There's
out.
so many spiders back here.
Lots of spiders, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness.
Give me my
They're
leg.
probably not going to survive. I mean, they're really, really young, and the mom's down there.
Oh, look at,
There's
look
the
at,
mom.
oh
They
my,
just
you
grabbed
just
it.
snatched
The
the
mom
baby.
just snatched
Oh,
it.
she did?
Yeah, she's
Oh,
grabbed it.
that's so cute.
Maybe that's where the other ones went.
It just saved it.
mom just
Oh,
snatched
so
it
it
and was like,
saved
"See."
it. Aww, that's cute.
Oh,
How ironic is it? Is here we're getting cats to get rid of the mice, but then when I see baby mice, I get emotional about it. Like, oh, their little family.
so we saw the one mom, like the one baby.
Careful,
Crush 'em.
careful.
Oh, I see him.
You see him?
I just saw the mom holding one of the babies.
What, really? Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's a different one. That must be like the dad. Oh, it has
They
a
dropped
baby.
the baby.
It has a baby?
Should we just leave? So
Yeah, let her take her baby somewhere else.
Alright.
that has to be the dad though, because I just saw one in there.
I think she's just really fast.
No, I would have saw it run past.
She's trying to, did she have a baby?
She had there's 2 babies over there in one of them, and then there's one.
Oh,
See?
there it is, yeah.
It's the mom and the dad, and they both have the babies.
Aww.
Look at it. He's checking for
He's
more.
probably can't find the other one of the babies. This probably still missing.
Look at him.
They were sitting. Oh,
Look at it.
there's the mom.
He's going to grab the baby. Just grabbed it.
They grab the babies and then they move them.
It just ran away.
Definitely little mice on the property. A whole little family.
Those other cats will probably.
Look at the dogs.
Oh yeah, mom, take Tori.
They're always looking out the windows, seeing what we're doing. Once we get grass, they'll be able to come outside more often. So guys, we just got done with a graduation party and we decided to stop by the old house
We're the children
and fill up the car.
with garbage.
And this is pretty much just our front foyer coat closet,
Yeah,
a ladder, and
that's about it.
Chase the shelves he wants hung back in his room for his medals.
Where are the screws for that?
Right here in front of you, right there.
The bolts are on there?
Yep, you better do it right when you get home.
Yeah, that's exactly right. How about if I'm gonna cut the grass in the backyard so the dogs will go to the bathroom, and Chase is gonna have to pick up droplings.
Poop dog.
Look how big my arm's looking at.
Now you're acting just like Chase. My goodness.
Where's Chase?
So,
Can you find Chase?
He's back
It's
there.
like, where's
He's
Waldo?
holding on to his shelves. I can't really see Karli though. I don't know if she's
What's
back
up with
there
this
or not.
window in front of us?
So we're heading back home. Gotta unload this mess.
My
And
parents are coming.
Ken's parents are coming by to show their friends the house. So I'm not making my bed. I don't care. It is what it is.
You're such a
house
liar.
is-
You know she's gonna go home
I'm
first thing
not.
she's gonna do is
I
make the bed.
swear I'm not. I'm so over trying to keep this house clean so people can come see it all the time. It is what it is.
Yep.
So guys, I'm in my room right now and I'm trying to completely stay out of anything that's... Can you hear that? That is going on downstairs right now because my family is all fighting with each other, and you guys probably think that our family doesn't fight, but that's only from your perspective of what you see on this YouTube channel, but our family fights a lot. So I'm just trying to hide out in my room and get done what I have to get done. And I just put these 3 bins in. I'm just trying to organize a little bit. And I have a feeling my mom is not gonna let me go. But I found a place to go to tonight, so I could probably just get away from all the yelling that is happening. I want to go to Audrey's house, but she's probably gonna say no, so just plan out some things to do here all night. And yeah, like, you guys probably understand it because everyone pretty much fights in their family just at one point. I don't know. That's how my family is. We're always fighting, we're always complaining about stuff, especially my parents. Because ever since it's been time to move, things have just been super stressful, so everyone's getting mad because we have to try to get things done. We have people coming over, my grandma, and they want to show their like friends or something, sort of like that, our house. And I'm just going to pick up my room, going to pack a bag, and if my mom says no, I'll just save that bag for another time. I'm gonna clean my bathroom, and I'm going to get done everything that I need to get done for my room because my brothers have to do the exact same thing. My closet isn't too dirty. I just have some clothes to put away in there, and these are a ton of clothes that I try on and just throw on the floor. So if you're wondering what we were fighting about, we were actually fighting about coats because, you know, people never really fight about things that would actually matter. People usually fight about the littlest things that really have no meaning at all towards anything. I know, we're trying to figure out where to put coats, and like, I don't really understand, but my parents aren't mean. They just get stressed out and start yelling all the time. Yeah, that's how it kind of is, especially when you have 4 kids and 6 pets and things to do all the time. It's a little stressful. Most of us, 3 out of the 4 of them have girlfriends. Single as a Pringle forever, never ready to mingle. That's me. And I don't know, they have all just been spending a lot of times with their girlfriends, so they don't really have enough time to do all their jobs and stuff. And then my parents get stressed about it because then they think they have to do it, and then everything just gets crazy and they get super stressed, and then they start yelling, and then no one's allowed to go anywhere, and then all the kids get mad. And it just keeps going in a huge circle because one day my parents will be super happy, and then someone can just go and ruin it super quickly. So yeah, so I'm not gonna put it because I don't edit videos, because I don't know how to do that because my mom is too busy doing other things, because I don't know why. But my mom is going to put a poll up there, and she's going to ask you guys if you feel the same exact way about your family, even if you have no siblings at all. You probably have like and maybe if you're older and you're already like a parent, or about your kids now. Because I know people of all ages watch this video, and if you guys don't have like an actual YouTube channel, you're actually not going to be able to vote in the poll, so make sure you like make a YouTube channel and subscribe to our channel. Yeah.
Oh, they're not going to let you back in the garage, Tori. Go the other way. You're wigging your tail. Look at it. Ivy's like all hunched up, and Tori's acting like nothing is happening. Oh, she's hissing even. Tori's clueless.
I gotta say, it's a beautiful evening. And what?
What are we looking at?
We're looking at the fountain lights I put on today. Changing colors.
We now have lights on our fountain. We get to control them with the remote.
Yep, there's green, blue. That says yellow, but I don't like yellow.
It looks white.
Here's red. We got blood water. There's orange. Yellow.
Oh, that's yellow. The other one must have been white.
Yeah, it must have been white. Blue and purple.
I like the purple.
Purple, and then you can do splash.
I don't like that. I like the green or the purple. Ooh, the light blue is pretty. And then it comes with these like cone type things or whatever they're called, right? To change the water, like if you want the fountain to look a little different.
Correct.
So soon, this thing over here will no longer be on the porch. Am I correct in saying that?
Yeah, it'll be out there.
So we don't have to hear that noise because it's kind of loud.
Okay, so my mom told me to film, and I'm about to take a shower and go to sleep for the night. So bye, that's it for the day. Please thumbs up this video, please subscribe. And so my mom was yelling at me the other day. I mean, not the other day, it felt like the other day because it was a long time ago. So it was earlier today, probably like 2 o'clock, and my mom was yelling at me because my room was dirty. And I was like, okay, leave me alone. So the question of the day is, do your parents ever get mad at you for not doing your chores? Bye.